Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Waves of Inspiration collection. All right, I'm going to show you how I made this card using the Waves of Inspiration collection. This collection is available starting today and includes this really super duper cool stamp set and dies. I love this wave stamp and all the detail that's in the stamp when you stamp it. It's amazing. You're going to see on this card. And then there's a couple of wave dies. There's two of them, so you can have two different kinds of waves. There's two clouds with some details for the clouds that I'm going to show you. So these just fit right on the bottom there of the small and the large. And then we've got some birds and some labels. So super, super cool. There is also a designer series paper that comes in 12 by 12 with all these cool wave designs. So pretty. Love them. Love, love, love them. And rhinestones. So pretty. I bet these are going to sell out. So if you want these, get them soon because they're only available until supplies last. So basically you've got the bundle, 10% off, and then you've got the DSP, and then there's these blue foils and rhinestones. And these three items are only available while supplies last. So here's the foil. We've got Pacific Point, Coastal Cabana, and silver. I love the silver. It's so pretty. And of course you can get the whole collection with one order number, and that just makes it easy for you. So I'm gonna buy some more rhinestones today. All right, so for this card, I have started with, let's see here. Dropped one of my clouds. So here's a cloud already ready, and then I already got these clouds ready. So then here's the large cloud, and then here is the bottom of the cloud. So you see that there, because it's white on white, it's a little bit, hard to see on the card. So I used a self-adhesive sheet for the backing. And then I'm just going to lay that on here. Okay, so I've got my clouds, and then this is just layered on the Coastal Cabana because we are gonna stamp, the leaf in Coastal Cabana. All kinds of sticky stuff on this, I guess. So just layer some of this pretty paper on here, and it kind of looks like a sky. And then you can decide like what side you want to use. And then for the wave, I've got some white cardstock, and I'm going to use the Coastal Cabana to ink up the wave. Okay, I'm just gonna stamp it right here. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that. When you stamp it, it just creates this amazing wave. So I'm just gonna cut off some of the extra here. And then I have already cut out some silver foil, and I have layered it on there and then fussy cut this. Wow, re-inking makes a difference. Look at that. That's cool. I might even use that one on here. And then we're just going to place this on here. And then we've got some dimensionals on the clouds. And some little silver birds. So we've got, these are hard to pick up. Got one silver bird and two silver birds. So we'll put some adhesive on those. And then I'm just gonna get a large or a regular dimensional for that one. Okay. We'll just put a cloud here and here and here. And then we'll add the birds with some glue. Probably would be good to use some self-adhesive sheets for these to make that easy too. Okay, ow, just stabbed myself. Watch out, these are sharp. Okay, put that on there. That right there. And then I'm gonna cut out a new silver and put it on there and then put it on this card because wow, that's just really vibrant. But you would just adhere this to the card and put this on dimensionals and there you go. Quick and easy, beautiful Waves of Inspiration card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. And it consists of these 3 cards, these 3 designs. So just go to my website and use my current host code and then email me and let me know that you would like this free card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on the Waves of Inspiration collection. I hope you got some inspiration. And if you did, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.